So I have like a few minutes left on my lunch break before I need to sit down. Well, not sit down, but before I need to get serious, I need to like sweep and vacuum and start a little laundry and all that stuff. Maybe eat some lunch. But anyways, I thought I would give you guys a quick tour of the house or of the addition since it's been a long time and a lot of you have never seen any of this. So I'm going to turn the camera around. I'm going to take you through the rooms and show you how excited I am for my new house. Oh, by the way, I don't know if you watched one of my other videos, Dan is building this house for us. And so I'm so excited to like finally move in and like be able to decorate it all. The plan itself is mine. I designed the floor plan. And then all the decorations and everything. So I'm really excited for you guys to like see the rest of the journey. But I do want to give credit to my dad who has, who spent like, I don't know, like 2 months here helping Dan learn how to do all the plumbing and electrical and all of that stuff, because without my dad and YouTube, literally, Dan wouldn't know what he's doing. So it's such a gift that we have family and friends who've been able to help Dan out with this, because we're gonna live in this house for the rest of our life. We're raising our kids here, we're raising our dogs and our pigeons, and it's just really amazing to be able, someday, to be able to live here and just know that Dan built this beautiful home for us. No, he built the house, I built the home. Anyways, here's the house. Okay, so let me start. Here's my disaster of a kitchen. It is going to be fixed someday. We have the patio doors. This is going to be our family room. So right here where you see these awesome Halloween boxes and this red, you know, outside lawn chair, this is where our sectional couch is going to be. And then up on the wall, you can see that little outlet. That's where we're going to put our nice TV and all my cute decorations. I'm going to have Dan make like a custom low-lying, I don't know, like 14 inches off the ground, just this really pretty walnut shelf. And then over here in this little nook, obviously is going to be where my plants go, because look how cute they are. But we're also going to put like our bookcase, some of our family heirlooms, and then look at that beautiful plant over there. Like some kids' toys and stuff that we just don't want in the living room up front. From this window, you can see the pigeons. And so anyways, over here, oh, this is such a disaster. This is my master bedroom. But these are all of the cabinets for my master bath. So we have our nice walk-in closet, and look how big that is. I'm gonna be able to put so many clothes in there. I'm so excited. So our bed will go over here in between the outlets. And then when we wake up in the morning and we're getting ready for the day, we'll be able to check on our pigeons in the pigeon yard. So exciting. So these are the cabinets. Dan has just started to put them together. So dirty. But 2 linen cabinets. They're gonna go right here. This is either side, or like on either side of the vanity, or where the linen cabinets are gonna go. You can't see that, sorry. So we have a light in there. Let me see if I can back up and give you guys like a better picture of this room. Okay, yeah, I'm also like stumbling over dogs. So this is our bathroom. The vanity and everything is gonna go over here. And then we have a nice little walk-in shower. We'll have a nice walk-in shower eventually. But the best part about this is going to be, oops, stepping on things, is gonna be that right there. You can't tell, but it's my soaking tub. And it's gonna be so incredible. Wait a minute, look at this. You can see, you can't see because the sun's right there, but there's Dan, he's working on the siding. Anyways, my soaking tub is gonna be so beautiful. We're gonna do white subway, like matte subway tile throughout the room. And then enclosing the tub, you can't see my hands, enclosing the tub is going to be that same rich wooden, I don't know what I'm gonna stain it, what color yet, but like we're using walnut and we're gonna stain it, and it's gonna be so gorgeous. So this room is gonna be like white, like the white tile. We're gonna have like the black fixtures, a beautiful like stone floor, and then the white, or the wood tub. Oh, this aesthetic is gonna be beautiful, especially because you know I'm gonna have plants in here. I don't know what, but the whole reason I made him put that window in there is so that he could build me a little shelf like right along there, that I could have some plants, because plants love humidity, and plants love bathrooms. Yes. So I'm going the other way around because there's so much trash on the floor over there that you can't even see what's going on. So I'm gonna flip this around. These are 2 pocket doors. or will be pocket doors. But this is our little half bath. So like this is where you'd be coming in and doing your business. And then we're gonna have our vanity that Dan's gonna custom build for me. And it too is gonna be like a wooden vanity, just kind of like a floating shelf almost. And it's gonna be made out of walnut. And then it's a white porcelain drop-in sink. So like, it's gonna be like hotel New York City glamorous in here. I have 2 pendant lights that are gonna come down from the ceiling. And then like behind the toilet here, we're gonna have a couple matching wooden shelves that coordinate with the vanity, or no, what do you call that? Like entertainment center shelf under the TV. This whole place is gonna look stunning. I have to work on the rest of the house. But anyways, this stuff is gonna look great. Then finally, over here, this girl gets to bring her laundry inside. So it's not too exciting, but right there. So we're gonna put our new washer dryer. And then I still have to write all of the names on the electrical panel. That's my to-do list. And it's been there for like 2 months and I haven't done it, but I need to do that. And then I brought in like already some of my decoration. This is a little video, or a picture of Dan and I on our first canoe trip. That's when, well, we were already in love, but so cute. And look at that cute little sign. It's not gonna go there, obviously. It's gonna go somewhere else, but that's the aesthetic. Anyways, this is right back into our bathroom. And then this door out here goes out into the garage. So it'll be so nice once all of this is built. Dan can go hunting and then he can just come right in through the garage and he can just take off all of his clothes there and I can just clean everything. It's gonna be amazing. So this is my life. Like, I don't know if you guys can even hear me because this is happening right here. But they're cute and I love them. Oh, by the way, if you don't know, the brown one is Steve. Let's see if I can get this here. Brown one is Steve. He's a boy. He's like 7, 8 months. I should figure that out. There's Penny on the ground showing her goods. And then behind here, that's Penny's like, I don't know, 5 years old this year. And this is old girl Perdita, the love of my life. She is 10 years old this year. She's deaf, like she can't hear a single thing, but she's so sweet. Look at this sweet face, tri-colored. The girls are Springer Spaniels and Steve is a chocolate lab. So they are a lot, but we love them and they all lay in bed with us at night and it's like a super cozy place that always has dog hair. So when you see dog hair and you see the hot mess, yeah. And also Perdita always licks. She has like a licking infatuation. So those of you that know her, you already know this about her, but that's always happening whenever I'm recording, just so you know. Okay, for real, I gotta go. I got laundry to do. What else do I have to do over lunch? I'm gonna grab a lunch and then I have to clean the floors. Quick, sweepy sweep before I have to go back to work. So, bye. I hope you all have a great day.